Professional wildlife photographers spend years perfecting their craft to capture the perfect shot. One wrong move could mean losing expensive equipment, missing a once-in-a-lifetime shot, or worse, becoming the subject themselves. But what happens when the animals decide they're the ones running the photo shoot? These photographers thought they were capturing wildlife. Turns out, wildlife was capturing them. When your subject has better camera awareness than most influencers. Fun fact: Arctic wolves can get so close photographers can smell their breath. Photographer clearly knows the feeling.
Almost too confident.
Excuse me, sir, but I believe you're in my shot.
Pick it up.
Finally, someone who actually looks good in their close-ups. When your subject starts negotiating appearance fees mid-shoot. Professional tip: not everything needs to be taste tested. GPS said turn right, but I don't think this is what they meant. When you realize your swimming buddy has been around since the dinosaurs. Looks like the local welcoming committee has arrived for inspection. Sometimes the best camera angle requires a career change to tree surgeon. Congratulations! You've been promoted to human perch. Sir, I'd like to apply for the position of tour guide. References available upon request.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
When you become the most popular branch in the forest,
And they keep leaning on you.
4 out of 5 photographers agree. Sandpaper tongue massages are overrated.
It's rough. It's like sandpaper. It's rougher than a regular cat tongue.
Someone's conducting a very thorough equipment inspection. The key to meeting big cats? Pretend you're cooler than you actually are. When your subject could literally bulldoze your entire setup. Apparently, ice isn't just for hunting, it's also for showing off. Your local magician has nothing on this 8-armed illusionist. Thanks for watching. These amazing encounters remind us that in nature, the animals are always the real directors. Hit subscribe for more amazing wildlife videos. Which of these encounters would have made you drop your camera and run? Let us know in the comments below. And if you've had your own wild photography moment, we want to hear about it.